Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 elevation in an Onyx Black. This one is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our jet black interior leather heated seats on both sides. And if we take a look down here at the bottom left, you'll find our power seat controls. Of course, up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. And inside we have our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have our volume scroll wheel here on the left-hand side. And right in the middle, you'll find our dual climate control zones. To the left of that, you'll find our trailer brake controls, as well as this vehicle is equipped with a push-start ignition to go alongside our keyless entry and remote start. We have some storage compartments here, as well as down here. Our shifter, 2 cup holders, and inside our middle console, if we take a look, we do have our wireless charging pad, USB-C and USB charge ports, and our AC outlet on the right-hand side. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at our driver's side door, you'll find our automatic power windows. And right next to that, we do have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, we have our power locks. And over here, you'll find our park brake, our drive modes, and our automatic high beams. Moving along to the steering wheel here, if we take a look, we do have our voice recognition on the right-hand side to go alongside our menu selector. On the left-hand side, you'll find our forward collision alert, our heated steering wheel, like I mentioned earlier, and our cruise control settings. Behind each side of the steering wheel, we have our paddle shifters. And if you put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a 360 view camera to go alongside a built-in rear view camera, and all the settings here down below. If we take a look up, we do have our universal home garage opener. Jumping on back, we still have our jet black interior leather seats. Plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. And of course, if you take a look in the middle, we have our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat, there is cubbies with extra storage. Speaking of storage, we have some extra cubby storage in the seats itself, as well as underneath. In the middle, we do have our cup holders. And last but not least, we have our rear power sliding window. Checking out the exterior here on our elevation, we have our black doe grille with our front-facing camera, our black tow hooks at the bottom, LED headlights and fog lamps. Moving along to the side here, we have our 20-inch black rims on Bridgestone tires, our adjustable side mirrors like I mentioned earlier, black running boards, as well as our keyless entry and tint in the rear window. Making our way to the back here, we have our 4x4 badge on each side of the truck, as well as our corner assist steps here. We also have our exhaust and our spare tire. Up here you'll find our multi-pro tailgate. Top half gets you halfway down. This can also turn into a step when needed. And if you'd like to do the whole thing, bottom button, hands-free, no problem. It leads you to our spray-on bed liner. And of course, our 120 volt outlet here on the right-hand side. And that is our 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 elevation in an Onyx Black. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.